Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Mr. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Turmeric, as good as medicine for treating acidity-related indigestion, finds a study. A first-of-its-kind study published online in the journal BMJ Evidence-Based Medicine suggests that a natural compound, curcumin, found in the culinary spice turmeric may be as effective as omeprazole, a drug used to curb excess stomach acid for treating indigestion symptoms. The researchers randomly assigned 206 patients aged 18 to 70 with recurrent upset stomach, which is called as functional dyspepsia of unknown cause, recruited from hospitals in Thailand between 2019 and 2021 to one of three treatment groups for a period of 28 days. New COVID-19 vaccine gets FDA approval. Recently, the FDA has granted emergency authorization for the latest COVID-19 vaccine, marking a significant departure from previous vaccines as it does not primarily target the original ancestral strain of the virus. Unlike last year's bivalent vaccine that aimed to cover both older and newer strains, this newly authorized vaccine is monovalent, designed to specifically combat the health risks, hospitalizations, and fatalities associated with more recent variants such as the Omicron subvariant or XBB.1.5. Additionally, it is anticipated to offer some degree of protection against closely related variants currently in circulation. It's important to note that the FDA's emergency authorization covers vaccines produced by both Pfizer and Moderna. Mediterranean diet slashes gastric cancer risk by 29%, shows a study. Findings from a recent study published in Frontiers in Nutrition demonstrate that high adherence to the Mediterranean diet is associated with 29% reduced risk of gastric cancer. According to the latest estimates released by Globocan in 2020, gastric cancer remains the fifth most commonly diagnosed cancer and fourth leading cause of cancer-related mortality globally, with greater than 1 million new cases and an estimated 769,000 deaths. Despite growing evidence for the association of adherence to the Mediterranean diet with gastric cancer risk, the results remain inconclusive. The purpose of the systematic review and meta-analysis was to summarize the evidence from previous observational studies and assess the potential association between adherence to the Mediterranean diet and risk of gastric cancer using a dose-response meta-analysis. European Medicines Agency recommends new restrictions on Topiramate in pregnancy. The European Medicine Agency or EMA Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee PRAC in a recent press release has recommended new measures designed to avoid Topiramate use for pregnant women. Topiramate containing medicines are used for the treatment of epilepsy and prevention of migraine. In some European Union countries, the medicine is also used in combination with phentermine for weight reduction. At present, Topiramate must not be used to prevent migraine or manage body weight during pregnancy, and patients who can become pregnant must use effective birth control when using Topiramate. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.